Hi, I'm Representative Kim Moser, and my background is healthcare.
And I'm Representative Rachel Roberts, and my background is in small business.
We represent the two sides of this COVID-19 crisis, and we are two women representing Campbell County and Northern Kentucky and Frankfort. Representative Roberts and I proudly worked together on Senate Bill 150 to give much needed flexibility to our healthcare providers and economic relief to our small businesses. Rachel and I know that there is no place for partisan politics during this crisis.
And we know that we all want the same thing, to safely reopen our economy, get people back to work, and get back together. With unemployment rates rising, it is so important that we follow the CDC guidelines for dealing with coronavirus so that we can begin to see a decline in the number of cases and in the number of deaths, so that we can reopen our economy as soon as it's safe. We're in this together. Let's protect one another so we can get back to work and get back together.
So here are a few ways that we can protect each other. Continue social distancing, especially when going into stores and pharmacies. Wear a mask, even a homemade one, or a double-wrapped scarf is better than nothing. By wearing a mask, we are all protecting each other. Stay at home when you can. The best thing we can do to help our frontline healthcare workers and first responders is to stay healthy at home. If you are sick or running a fever without other symptoms, call your doctor first. Don't go to the emergency room as a first step. Avoid social gatherings of more than 10 people, and if you must gather, practice social distancing. Make sure to check on your elderly family members and neighbors. Offer to help them get groceries and medicines. And lastly, thank a healthcare professional or a frontline worker for all they're doing to keep us healthy, fed, and supported in this time.
Representative Moser and I are also in regular communication with healthcare professionals from St. Elizabeth Hospital and the Northern Kentucky Health Department, as well as with business leaders and associations. And like you, we watch the governor's daily briefings, where he has recently announced the Healthy at Work plan, with benchmark steps to reopen our economy. If you have a small business or a part of Kentucky industry, start giving some thought to how you can reopen your workplace safely and submit a reopening proposal to kycovid19.ky.gov. The solutions for reopening our Kentucky economy will come in large part from small business and from the greater community. This is our chance to be part of the solution. Let's all also keep supporting our local restaurants and retailers who have done such an amazing job of transforming their businesses virtually overnight to keep serving us all.
Together, by helping and protecting each other, we will reopen Kentucky.
We will get through this. We will get through this together. Thanks, Kim.
Thank you, Rachel.
Stay well.
Thanks, you too.